Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan Somi and I want to ask you a favor. Today is Christmas and do me this favor, gift me this favor if you're new here and this is the first time you've encountered this channel of mine. And also if you've ever watched my video and you're here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a Christmas favor and subscribe to this channel. Just click on that red button. It won't cost you anything. It's totally free of charge. So apart from that, as you can see, I am here in my kitchen, and on this side you can see a bit of cups, and on top of my head here you can see some plates, and then on this particular side is where I keep my sauce, maybe my spices, salt and all those things that are necessary in the kitchen. And then also on top there's more space where I store things that are essential in the kitchen. Anyway, let's get into this video. So today I was doing totally nothing. I was not busy, I was not working in anywhere, and I was not committed to anything. So I decided that this video, I wanted to do this video for a long time. As you can see this jar here, I have some spice inside this jar. However, it's not labeled at all. So if friends happen to come to my place or family happens to come to my place and probably you need to cook and you come to the kitchen, you will be asking questions, or what is this, what is that, where can I get this? So the easiest thing I decided to do now is just to take time and label my spices. I don't have a lot of spices, just a few, and I'm also limited on the jars, which means I need to get more jars like these ones. And these jars are so common nowadays. You go to town around the CBD, you can find these jars. This was 150 bob. You can get the bigger ones, you can get even the smaller ones, and it's only 150. And even if you want other types, you can also get at 100 bob or even 150, depending on the size, on the design, whatever you want, you will get it. Anyway, let's get into it. So on this part, as you can see, I have these big ones, and I mostly use these ones to store things like rice, maize flour, and sugar. This is for sugar, but I still want to label everything else. So let's get into this, and yes, enjoy this video if you're here. Yes. So let's just start. So what I have is, I have my pen. I wanted a blue pen, but I just have the red pen right now. And I also have this masking tape. So I'm going to use masking tape because I can still write on it, just for the labels. So let's get into it. So this is the masking tape. So I'll just take these ones. You can use this one here. For example, we take this side, we mask it. I think I need to get a scissor. Or can this just work the way it is? Oh, this works. So now we have this one here, and this is for maize flour. So this I'm just going to write here, maize. Voila. So this is how it looks. At least now if somebody can come here, it's so identifiable easily. So I'll do that for everything. Okay, that is for the big ones. And so I have this one, ginger. So I'll continue the same process and you will go with me. So let's get into it. So here is the turmeric, but I don't have the jar for the turmeric, so I'll leave it here because that will serve it. And I also have here pilau masala, and I don't have a jar, which means it will stay in this paper for now. And then I also have garlic, which is this one here. I don't have a jar for it, and I need to go to town, just pick 3 jars. That will be, each jar is not 150 but 50 bob only. So 50 bob only, you get these jars. So that's what I have there. Anyway, let me proceed. When I go to town, I will actually pick this, but I rarely go to town, so that is a problem. So this will be for my sugar, and because I already labeled this one for unga, so I need another one for my rice, which is this one here. So we just put this here, then we start labeling. Okay, that's what I had. So right now I need to just arrange them and put them where they're supposed to be. So, and I'll be done. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, that looks amazing. This actually looks amazing, and the storage space is actually just enough for what I have. And as you can see on the side is where the whatever I have labeled, the spices, those essential things, and the rest of the parts there is for the bigger, should I call them jars? Yeah, for the bigger jars. So that's it. And if you're watching, kindly give a thumbs up to this video. You can even comment, like, and even share with your friends. And guys, promote me this Christmas time. Thank you. Let my dream come true, and let's reach that 1,000 subscribers, people. With that, bye bye. Enjoy your holidays.